What's going on, guys? This is Taylor with the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK555ELE-TK. This is going to be our brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle with Timken bearings with the 5-on 5.5 bolt circle. See right here, this box to get it in. Got our logo on it. Got our two smaller boxes down in here. Hold everything nice and neat while it gets to you. We got our two smaller boxes here. See right here, we got our true rod hub and drum with our 1/2-inch zinc coated studs. And the way we measure this bolt pattern is from stud to next closest stud. And for this one, it's going to be 3 1/4. You can see right here, we got our races already pressed in. And we got our true rod backing plate right here. Magnets are already installed. These just bolt up, plug in, good to go. They're already true rod inspected. And this sticker down in here is going to tell you left hand, right hand as well. We have our small parts. Pull all those out. We got our other hub and drum and our other backing plate. So in this kit, you're going to get 2 hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand backing plate. Then we're going to get an inner and an outer bearing for each side. This is going to be your outer bearing. This is going to be the L44649. And this is just going to pop in right there. Then we have our inner bearing. This one's going to be our inner bearing, and this is going to be the L68149. And that's just going to pop in right there. These are Timken bearings. They do have the Timken pressed in. These are made in the US. So you'll get a set for either side. And we're going to get 2 seals, one for each side. You can see right here. And what we're going to do with these is you'll put your inner bearing in, then your seal will come in right behind it just like that. Then we have our castle nuts and cotter pins. And most guys won't send you the cotter pins. We like to make sure that you get everything you need. So you'll stick your castle nut onto your spindle, pop your cotter pin just through like that, keep it on there nice and neat. Then you're going to get your grease caps. You're going to get 4 of these. 2 are going to have this hole in it, and these are for the easy lube spindles, and 2 are going to be solid for the regular spindles. With these, you're going to get your rubber cap and your tang washers, and your tang washers do replace your cotter pins. Then for your regular grease caps, you're going to get your regular spindle washer. Then we have our lug nuts. You're going to get 10 of these. And we have our mounting hardware. And we're going to get 8 nuts and 8 washers. So we just pop these through onto the axle plate, pop your washer on, put your nut on right behind it, good to go. Pretty simple stuff, guys. Thanks for watching. That was the BK555ELE-TK.